Hey peeps, welcome again. So this is just a mini clip. I just want to point out a few things that I've seen lately, and those things are negative stuff that I've seen people do in public that I don't like. One, I've seen parents smoking around kids. It is very bad to smoke around kids. Secondhand smoking is the worst type of smoking. The reason being, if you're a smoker and you inhale, you take a breath of cigarette in or smoke in, you're letting it out, so there's less going inside your body, you're puffing out more. So just imagine you're driving one day and something is burning and you take that in, just some smoke or something, you just inhale that, all of that is inside your system. That is exactly what happens when you're smoking around kids or anyone that doesn't smoke. That is secondhand smoking. You take in, or that individual take in every single toxin, every single thing in that smoke, or that is what is happening to them. So just imagine you have a child, and I've seen this many times. People coming out of Walmart and they have the cigarette in front of the child and they're smoking. The child is taking in all that cigarette, all that smoke, that secondhand smoking, and that destroying the baby lungs. I hate to see that. Please stop. If you're watching this and you have done that before, or you smoke, or whatever it is you do, do not smoke around people. Do not blow your cigarette around. I hate it so much. That is one thing I hate so much. I say I don't stick around people that smoke at all. I'm against smoking. Alright, the next thing that I don't like is people putting their feet, their dirty feet, their slippers, whatever it is, on tables. People, keep in mind that you're not cleaning that table, especially at school or where, office, wherever it is. People have a tendency to put their feet on the table. It is rude, it is wrong. You're not the one who's cleaning that table. And keep in mind that people are putting their heads on the table. Alright? You would want somebody to come to your house and put their feet on your dinner table where you eat dinner. That is rude. So it's the same principle that applies to your home. I know some people are nasty. Most people are just nasty and they don't even care. And it's the janitors that are cleaning up, you know, the tables and stuff like that in the school or organization or whatever it is. Keep in mind that you need to respect these people, and they're cleaning up after you, so don't make it worse for them by carrying your germs and your bacteria everywhere. So please do not put your foot on the table. The next thing I want to look at is people that have cold and whatever it is and they cough everywhere. Please wear a mask or carry a rag and cough in the rag. Don't cough on people or come to people and cough and cough all over the place. It is disgusting. If you have a cold, stay home or stay away from people. Don't spread it by coughing and putting your hands everywhere and rubbing it all over the place on your bacteria. We don't know what you have. We don't want what you have. Keep it to yourself. Keep it in your home. Keep it to whoever you... I don't want it. I know people that are watching this vlog do not want it. Alright, so keep it to yourself. Do not cough and spread your germs or bacteria. Alright, so that's it. So that's 3 things I don't like. I've seen it and I don't like it. Do not cough on people. Do not smoke around kids or people that don't smoke. Keep that smoking to yourself, or just quit smoking. It is very bad. I know that me telling you to quit, you won't quit, so I'll just leave you to do whatever you want to do. But people, if you're around people that smoke and you don't smoke, get away from them. Do not inhale all that toxin in your body. It is not good for you. Okay? So, yeah. And don't put your feet on the table. It is a table, not the floor. It is nasty. Alright, people. I hope you enjoy this. If you do like this mini clip, go ahead down there and subscribe. Remember to like. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you don't. Remember, vlogs on Monday and Thursday and mini clips on the weekend. So I hope you enjoy this. JVLOGS, I'm out, people.